Do's and don'ts of 360. Want to make the best images and videos possible? Here are a few tips. Do. Line up the side of the camera with any bright light source. That will help the Penguin give you the best lighting possible. Don't. Connect the camera to your phone through Wi-Fi if you plan to use the front button to take images or shoot video. Penguins do not seem to like having more than one set of directions at a time. Do. Clean your lens often. Just like you, penguins like to be able to see. Besides, the better your penguin sees, the better your images turn out. Don't. Line up the important parts of your view on the sides of the camera. That's where the penguin has to stitch together the scene, and sometimes it can look just a bit funny along those lines. Do. Keep your camera charged. Much like real penguins, the 360 Penguin likes to eat regularly. Our 360 Penguin likes to eat while charging. Make sure you feed it. Don't. Try to have objects too close to the lens. That makes for blurry images and weird sizing in different aspects. The most important do of making 360 images and videos is simple. Do have fun.